Release the Kraken!
Here he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Kraken himself.
Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. This is UCM Pigs, and today I am out on a beautiful October morning to go for a fall ride. I'm actually riding up to meet up with my friend Eric from Kraken's Garage and Adventures in Tappahannock, Virginia, and we're gonna go to a little motorcycle festival. Now, before we get started, let me remind you to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always on my channel, if you don't feel like typing words, just leave me an emoji. Let me know you're here. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, so I am on Route 17 heading north. I have escaped what I like to call the 757, which is the 7 cities. Got across the Chesapeake Bay, just went through Yorktown and Gloucester, Virginia, and now I should be able to kick back and enjoy a really nice ride up Route 17 to Tappahannock and then on into Colonial Beach. But like I said, we're heading up to the Colonial Beach Bike Fest. Now, this is about a 10-year festival. This is their 10th year. I actually went to their first one, and I think about the second or third I went, and I haven't been since. And I had a good time. It's a nice little local rally. It's not going to be a Sturgis, it's not going to be a Daytona, but there'll be vendors, there'll be food, there'll be live music, and of course people watching. So it's a reason to go for a ride and meet up with an old friend and enjoy a day on the motorcycles, because I'm going to tell you guys, I woke up this morning, it was 46 degrees. That's why I'm in my Kimimoto heated jacket. Starting to warm up a little bit now. It's supposed to warm up to close to 70. Not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be an absolutely gorgeous day. So I am looking forward to spending the day on the bike with Eric and seeing what we get into. So that's it for right now. I'm going to scoot on down or up Route 17. If I see anything interesting, I'll be sure and turn the cameras on. But otherwise, I'll talk to you guys when we get to Tappahannock and meet up with Eric. So we made it to Tappahannock. So we're almost up here to our little rally point with Eric. Here's the love sign, Tappahannock, Virginia. This is NMM Burger right here. Probably one of the best burgers you can get on the East Coast. I'm gonna try to convince Eric to come back here for lunch, so we'll see. But I beat Eric here, which is odd. He's the first guy. So yeah, I'm gonna hang out here, wait for Eric, and we'll continue on down the road. Here he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Kraken himself. Y'all, so we just left Tappahannock, and when I say we, I got Eric from Kraken's Garage and Adventures. He's back there somewhere. Here, see if you can see him back there. So we are leaving Tappahannock and just had to make a U-turn because, yeah, I suck at following GPS instructions. And we've got about 40 minutes and we'll be in Colonial Beach. And I think the plan today, I was talking with Eric back there, we're going to come up here, take a look around, see what we see, and then leave. It's not going to be a big event. I mean, we may get there and it may be fabulous, but we're just going to look around, check out the vendors, and we're not going to get anything to eat because I don't feel like paying rally prices today. So we're probably going to head back down here to Tappahannock and eat lunch at NMM Burger. But that may be a separate video. I don't know yet. So let's get on down the road here, enjoy some of this beautiful scenery. We got a little bit of foliage changing. It's still a little early in the year for us, but it's a nice crisp fall day. So let's get on up the road to Colonial Beach and I'll talk to you guys then. Welcome to Colonial Beach, Virginia, and Colonial Beach Bike Fest 2024. Still kind of early. I think the vendors and everything just opened up. It's just a little after 11 in the morning, but there's the vendor area. Water's right over on the other side of it. There's a boardwalk and everything. I'm going to find a spot to park right along in here somewhere. Y'all, so we just left Colonial Beach and we're heading back down toward Tappahannock to grab some lunch, and I'm starving like a hostage. So yeah, we're heading back down to Tappahannock to go to NMM Burgers. Got Eric in tow. We're gonna head down, we're gonna grab us some lunch. I'll show you around NMM Burger and what we get to eat and a little bit of this ride down there. It's a beautiful ride here in some coastal Virginia byways. So we'll talk to you guys when we get down to NMM.
right, we have made it to NMM Burger in Tappahannock. There's Eric, still putting his stuff away. So we're gonna go in here and get us a burger and see what this is all about, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. All right, y'all, so we just finished up at NMM Burger, me and Eric. Where's the sun at? Sun behind. Let's go this way so the sun's this way. Now you can see us. What'd you think about the burger?
I thought the burger was absolutely amazing. I can see why it's voted Virginia's best.
I thought it was pretty good too. Good ride. It was great to see you today. We got to do this more often.
Absolutely.
So I'm gonna head back to Chesapeake. Eric's heading back the other direction. It's been an awesome day. I appreciate you coming and riding with me. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And until we talk again, you be careful, be safe, always keep your shiny side up, and we'll talk to you next time.